Welcome to day number 55 here for my review progress inside Traiex. And today this video is going to be a little bit longer than normal, guys. I'm going to start to do these type of things in this video. The videos that I'm making is I'm going to talk about the trade history and stuff because I think that's the most important thing that we could talk about. I got another active member here, so I can go over to careers. Do a withdrawal of this commission here. So made 46 bucks in commission. Just hit that. Good. Hit this. Success. Go to the trade history. And there's the withdrawal there. So it's pending to go through. And then that withdrawal will show up over here in this bounce. So I could either like put it into my bot. It'll show up there once it goes through. Or I could go and buy the token with it, which that's probably what I'm going to do, is just start stacking up those tokens, right? And get another 1,000, and then I'll be here, and then another 1,000, and I'll be here, because the price of them is really, really low right now, and that's probably the best thing I can do is take advantage of buying those tokens to move through those levels there. So let's see the price of the token. Oh no, it's went up. Oh no, it's went up here a bit. So it's at 0.36. I'm hoping it's going to come down here, and then I'll be able to buy it for like 0.32 or something like that. That'd be freaking awesome. But yeah, that's kind of right now, because this token is so damn low. It's kind of one of my main focuses is buying those tokens and then buying this down here so I can earn more of the profit there, right? And get myself to 80%, and then the company's only making 20% off my funds there. Okay, so had some earnings here today. Another average day, right? With the earnings, I think I made 22 bucks or something like that. So it should be 0.40 something, or around 0.40 there is probably the earnings, or maybe a little bit more. I don't know. But we're going to look into that. Let's open up our grok. So there we are. We've got our grok opened. Let's go get our command. This is the command that I put into here. And then just, part of these videos, guys, is just figuring out that daily percentage. I always show what I'm making. I never show what I'm making plus what the company's making. And also what I don't do, which I see most people doing out there that are promoting trading bots, is they'll use the percentage based upon the amount of funds the bot is trading on, and not based upon the amount of funds that they have in their account, which is like, that's basically like cheating. You're like cheating to people, right? Like you're not showing them the truth if that's what you're doing. So I always use the number I have in my account, right? Like I show this over here, and that's what I base my analysis off, which in return is going to give me the smallest possible percentage that I could show you, which doesn't work out good for my marketing, but it's like the honest truth of, like, if you have $5,000 in here, it's not going to trade on $5,000. It's going to trade on 30% of $5,000, which is like 1,500 bucks or so, right? So that's how you have to look at it. You can't be like, oh, here's my profit, and then go to your trade history and then show like, oh, look, it's trading on $1,500, and then figure out your percentage that way and be like, oh, look, yeah, I made 3% today, and my average is like 2.6% or whatever. You can't be like that, guys. And just, I would get that idea out of your head, because I've had people on my team come to me and say like, Drew, why don't you do your videos like this? And then you could say like your percentage is way higher, right? I just don't think it's good, because the bot's trading on 30%. It's not trading on 100%, right? It's trading on 30% of your account, and that's a strategy for safety. There's the new presentation, guys. May 2025, new presentation. It is freaking awesome. It's converting way higher than the last presentation I did. I've sent it out to 5 people have asked me for, hey, can you show me this? Traiex. So I've sent it out to 5 different people, and 2 of those 5 people have gotten back to me, which is good. So the conversion rate on it's going to be pretty damn good, right? Probably 50% or so there. Because you guys know me, I don't really do the whole follow-up thing and like bug people and be like, oh, when are you going to get going and stuff like that. I let them come to me. I make the content. They ask me, hey, can I have some information? I send them the information. If really they don't get back to me, that's like, I continue promoting, so there's always new people, right? So that's kind of how I think of things, and I keep on putting content in front of the same people through my social media. So that's kind of my strategy, guys. I don't do this whole like keep a list of people and follow up with people and bug them and just I just don't think that works out, right? So here's yesterday's video was 54,
Hey there, guys.
But also I'll say this, if you're just starting out, that might be a thing to do, is to focus more on the follow-up and don't follow by my example of not really following up, right? So we're going to go, we got to find the video, place in the video here where I'm showing the balance up there. And I remember saying in the video, like, oh, I got to show this for tomorrow's video. So give me a second here. There it is right there. Okay. So, and I got my mouse over it. So we'll go back a little bit more. We'll just watch it from here. Okay. There you go. Okay. So 4884. So good old grok. 4884.81. Yeah, guys, I go right down to the cent. And then with this guy here, we got to grab this. So it's 4903.79. 4903.79. And then we just say, like, you know, what's that percentage there? And that's how I calculate the percentage. I think that's the best way to do it, right? Like I'm taking, like, you can see everything. Yeah, so I said 0.40, so it's 0.39. So pretty damn nice there. That's good. We're going to go over here to trade history, and I'll teach you guys how to read the trade history, okay? So when you're selling this or you're looking into, like, getting involved with this, this is what you need to look at, okay? So you need to come in, buy the $500 bot, put $100 in your trading account, and then test it. Okay. Don't go in there, buy the $500 bot, and then like dump $5,000 into it and then be like, oh, this isn't as good as I thought, or like, I'm not happy with it. I should have just bought Bitcoin and held it. You know, those kind of things. I haven't heard anyone say that yet, but I can just see it, right? Like when Bitcoin starts to move up and, you know, people are going to have those thoughts like, oh, I would make more money if I was just holding Bitcoin, right? Like you see my account. It's making me roughly like pretty much 20 USDT a day, and I have $5,000 in my account, right? So when Bitcoin moves and it's going up, say 6% per day, not per day every day, but it goes like it has a 6% jump, like that's way more than $20, right? So these are the kind of things you have to think about when you're looking into this. Using a trading bot is more along the lines of kind of like an investment. Okay, it's not going to just go and make you 6%, 7% every single day type thing. It's going to make you a percentage. Well, the Traiex bot does a percentage every day, but it's like a slow growth, right? Like you might make, I don't know, 15% in a month, or 20%, or 12%, or 10%, or something like that in a month. Where if you're holding cryptocurrency, say you're holding Bitcoin, you might lose 10% in a month, but then the next month you might gain 24%. So like that, right? So you got to kind of make those decisions. And what I recommend you do is if you hold cryptocurrencies, like split it up, put a bit in a trading bot and then, you know, a bit in your holdings. Okay. That's what I do, guys. I don't have everything just sitting in Bitcoin. I don't have everything just sitting in trading, the bots trading on. Okay. Kind of like split things up. Okay. Like diversification basically. Okay. I think that's the right word, right? Or does that mean, like black, white, Asian, whatever. I forget. They're similar words. Okay. To diversify or whatever, right? So I think, yeah, diversify was the right word. Diversification is the other one. It means like race, right? Like different races. So anyways, yeah. And I'm a guy that speaks English as my first language. You know? Okay. So we're going to go, we'll look at the results of yesterday. Okay. Because we all know it's like, every day is pretty much the same. The bot trades about the same amount of trades every day. The lowest you're going to see it trade is about 64 trades in 24 hours. Most of the time it's going to trade between 70 to 80 trades per 24 hours, right? So if we go, we're on the second. So let's just go back to the first because we're at 2:40 p.m. in the afternoon right here, right now. So like the second is still going, right? So we'll go back to the first. It's going to take me a bit to figure out which page that is. Okay, so here's the end of the first here. You can see it. This is like 12 at night, and that's 11:33 at night. Those are the different trades there, okay? So you can see there's the first. So we'll just go back, and there'll be about 7 or 8 pages of the first trading, right? Okay, the 1st of May there, the 5th month. So this is the last trade of that day, and it was a winner. So this is what you want to look at here, okay? You want to go through your trade history. Just don't watch these videos and be like, base your analysis off like my trading bot, okay? All the trading bots are pretty much similar type thing. They all use the same strategy, right? So they're going to create roughly around the same result. Like I might make I don't know. Well, today I made 0.39%, right? That's me. You might have made 0.45% or 0.42%, or who knows, maybe your bot made, I don't know, 0.23% or something like that today, right? But this is how you can figure things out to see, the performance of your bot, okay? Is to actually go and look at the trade history. Okay, so you can see here, there's the last trade of yesterday, and the last trade was a winning trade. Okay, this one here was a losing trade. Okay, so that's what you want to look at. You want to find all the losing trades, and then you can see, is it losing more trades than normal? Because it's always going to do roughly around the same amount of trades. It's just you got to figure out, is it losing more than normal? And then that's what you can look into as in like, okay, this is why this month's profitability was a bit lower than last month or whatever type thing, okay? And this is the kind of stuff you need to look into here, guys, okay? So we got one losing trade so far on this page. We're not counting this trade here because it's the next day. This one was a profitable trade. This one was a profitable trade. So on this entire page here, there's one losing trade. If you were to count this, this is a winning trade. So one losing trade on that page, okay? We're going to go back here. This one's a winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. So this entire page was winning trades, okay? This one back here, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, okay? So that entire page, winning trades. Okay, so we only had one losing trade we've looked at 3 pages, okay? So we're still on the first there, okay? We're going to see about 7 to 8 pages here per 24 hours, okay? Winning trade, barely a winning. Oh, no, sorry. This is a losing trade, okay? So you can see here, 96,600 was the buy price of Bitcoin. The sell price, 96,599.85. So that's, if you watch the new presentation, guys, I really go into detail about this. What the bot is doing is it's breaking even pretty much, right? Like you saw the last losing trade, these numbers are almost the same. So what that means is the bot's getting out of the trade because it feels it's not going to go in its favor, okay? So it's basically taking a break even. So the loss here, if you were to go and refresh your page after that trade is finished and you refresh the page here, you'd notice this would go down by like $1 if your account is trading on $1,500, okay? Not this number here, okay? The 30% of this number is $1,500, like mine is roughly $1,466, right? You'll notice that loss, that's why most of the losses that I have, they're $1, is because that fee, well, roughly around $1. The fee to trade is about 59 cents per action, so per buy and per sell. So it's about $1.10 to $1.20 is the losses that I see in my account here when I have a losing trade, okay? So that's that one. So that was a losing one, okay? So we've been through, we're on page number 4 here of that day, and we've seen 2 losing trades over 4 pages, okay? So I want you guys to think about this stuff, okay? This trade here, winning trade. This one here, winning trade. This one here is losing trade. So this one here is, you can see it's pretty much the exact same as the other losing trades, because the bot is not actually losing, guys. It's breaking even. So it's making a call pretty much as soon as it gets in, it buys, and then I don't know what the heck it's seeing. And it's like, I better get out of this. I don't like the direction things are going. And maybe the price will go down a bit, then it'll come back up, and then it takes a break-even trade, and that's what you see here is your losses, your actual fee. The trading fee is your loss, okay? It's not in the market. Like we're talking, if this is trading on $1,450 or whatever, and the price of a Bitcoin is $97,000, and the difference between the buy and the sell is like 10 cents, then this here is like a fraction of a penny. that would be my loss if we're counting a loss. So it's not a loss, it's break even. Okay, it's the fee. So that's what you need to think about when you're looking at this trade data. So we're on 4 pages now, or 5 pages or something, and we've had 3 losing trades. So this page right here, or no, 4 losing trades, because this page here had 2 losing trades on it, guys. That's basically the most you're going to find is 2 losing trades on a page. The odd time you're going to see 3 losing trades on a page, and those will be the days where you have like 0.20 something or whatever type thing. Okay, you'll find like 1 or 2 pages with three losses on it, meaning that page didn't make as much profit as the loss type thing. Okay, so that really brings down your daily percentage. But once again, I've never seen an actual day of loss here. So back here, still on the one there. Okay, the first yesterday. So this one here, winning trade, winning trade. There's a loss again. So once again, it's pretty much break even. Like we're talking cents there, and that's the fee, right? This one here, that's a winning trade. So right there. So I think that's 5. I shouldn't call them losses, break evens, right? It's just the trading fee once again. Okay. So 5, I forget how many pages that was. We'll go through this after. Actually, I'm going to write this stuff down. Do I have a pen here? We'll just have to remember. So 5, we have 5 losing trades so far. And then, sorry, this one here, that's a big winner there. That's a pretty nice one. Actually, no, it's about the same. And then this guy here. So here's a losing trade again. Once again, guys, it's the same thing. That's why I said in this new presentation I did, I said most likely it's like 94 to 96% of the trades where it's an actual loss. It's actually breaking even, and it's just the trading fee that is the loss. Like it's really rare to actually see a losing trade in here. Like really rare. Like you might see it once or twice a month kind of thing, or even like when I do see them, I'm like, oh wow, that's actually a losing trade. Like I'm surprised about it, right? Because I'm always seeing just break even trades if the trade is not going good. So this one here that's a losing trade there. Okay. So, but once again, it's just a break even losing trade. It's like we're talking cents, right? So that's 6. And then this one here there's another one. So this page here, guys, this is a 3 losing trades on this page. So this entire page means that it's a losing page, right? Okay. But once again, it's losing because of the fee. If there was no trading fee here, the bot would probably make over 1% every single day, right? But you have to pay trading fees. And then this one here, this is a winning trade. Okay, so there was more losers on this page than winners. So that's 7 losing trades so far. And then this here, that's a winning trade. That's a losing trade. Once again, though, it's cents, right? Okay, this here is a losing trade. So that's 2 there. And then this one here that's a winning trade there, 95. I was looking at the zeros and stuff there, and I was like, wait a minute, this trade here lost like $900 with the price of Bitcoin, but no, it's 95,088, and this one's 90. The buy is 94,956. So that's a winning trade there. So what did I say? We had 2 losers on this page. That's a loser, and this is a loser. Those are profits. Okay, so 7, 8, 9. So we're at 9 losing trades so far. Okay, and then we should be to the next day here pretty soon. So there's the next day there. So this guy here that's a losing trade. So that's 10. Okay, once again, break even. This one here, winning trade. This one here, winning trade. This one here is winning trade. Okay, so that's 10 losing trades on one. Okay, so I got to remember 10, because I don't have a pen. So 10 losing trades on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this is the 8th page there. Okay, so that's 70 to 80 trades, right? So 8 pages, but then you've got there's 2 trades on this page here that are the next day. And then on that page number 1 that we counted, there was, I think, 1 or 2 trades on there that were the day before, the 30th. So that's 70 something trades. That's 8 pages, right? So 70 something trades. There's 10, like a trade is a buy and then another trade is a sell. It's what is considered a trade is an action, right? So I'm buying, I'm trading. Oh, now I'm selling, I'm trading kind of thing. But the full to create profit would be 2 trades together. So buy and a sell. If you're to do the average on that, that'd be like 1 point something on each page, right? So 1 point something trade on each page there that was actually, and those are all break even. There's no losses in there, guys. The losses were like cents. That maybe it won't be this price again, right? Maybe the next time when it's time for you to like, you want to buy it, you've built up your account, maybe the token is back to like 80 cents or 60 cents, and you're like, holy shit, I should have bought it at 30 cents, right? Like I should be using, like me, like guys, I'm pulling this $25 out. I'll pull it out right now. Okay. It's $25, 25.88.88. Even that 88 is going to help. That'll buy me 2 tokens, right? Okay. So, pulling that out, and I'll do that every single day. Set my earnings balance back down to 0. Use every single commission that I'm making to go and buy these tokens, guys. Like today, because of that commission I made, and then my $25 here, I'm going to be able to get like 200 something tokens. So if we have the value of them, we'll just take this guy here and we go, say it's $80 because it was $46 plus $25. I'll probably make another $10 in commissions today. So like just say 80, right? So if I buy 80, I put 80 USDT in here, that gives me 223 tokens. And then my next level here, I need another 1,000. So that's what I'm thinking. Like within the next week to 2, I could be here. So that's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a really long one, but I think that it was very informational, and we got a lot of information through. Once again, if you haven't seen my latest presentation, that's this video here, go check it out, guys. I think it's going to do really good. It's just, there's no kind of blah, blah, blah talk. It's just boom, right to the point, and it's 25 minutes long. The last presentation video I did, which I got to delete, there's no point having multiple presentation videos on here. But the last presentation video I did, it took me 40 minutes to say everything that I need to say. This one's it's actually 24 minutes, this video here. I know it says 25, but there's like thumbnails and stuff like that screenshots and stuff at the end of the video. And there's also little slides like this in there, which I'm not even talking over. So yeah, it's 24 minutes long. That's pretty awesome. If you know me, I can get going, I can get talking, right? So that's it from me, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Today was day number 55, and we did 0.39% today, which is, that's pretty damn good. I'm happy with that. It gives me some money to mess around with, buy some tokens and all that kind of stuff, right? So that's it. See ya.